Nā mihi o tau wā, ko aorangi te maunga, ko rangi tika i te aua, ko mako kōme ko te kainga tūturu, ko Puoro Jerome tōku ingoa, ti hei mauri ora. Taonga is a gift or a treasure, and Puoro is the sound or the vibration of the natural world or the nature, much like where we are today. Taonga Puoro for me helped me in a time when I was in a very dark, low spot in my life, and that sound drew me out of that darkness and back into the light. I feel like it's very important for our people to reconnect with our beautiful taonga that are within our culture, and Taonga Puoro is the same. For me, it's the feeling that gives when we have those taonga back in our lives, back in our hands. What I hope to be able to share and influence our people with through our Taonga Puoro is to reconnect back to the original sound of our tupuna, which of course connects us back into this beautiful sound of our pūtaiao. Oro is the vibration, and the ATUA is the spirit beings and the energy of the natural world. As a young fella, I didn't really see those things around me, and I know the feeling that I got when I rediscovered those things. The importance for me is to be able to give that to our tamariki and our rangatahi again.